Guys, the boy actually was able to buy an Xbox Series X. I had to buy it. Microsoft didn't send it to me because I'm not, I guess, good enough to get one. Now, this is actually the first time I've ever like unboxed an actual Xbox, so it's kind of funny because I've unboxed like every iPhone, and I've actually owned every Xbox too, which is pretty funny. So it looks like we take off these sticker things here. A bunch of stickers on this console. It's crazy. Okay, here we go. I think we got it. Okay, let's unbox this bad boy now after all that intermission. So we go ahead and take this part up like this, and you'll see that we have the Xbox Series X right inside. So what we can do now is take out the Xbox Series X, and this thing is mad heavy. Let's go ahead and take these things out. This thing is crazy heavy. So we have the Xbox Series X right here, and I actually have my Xbox One S right here, and I'll go ahead and compare the size to it in like 2 seconds. But taking this out, you can see that definitely looks really neat, and I even have my original Xbox that I can go and look to next to it. And this is the Xbox Series X. Now they said you can also turn it this way too if you need to, but as you can see, I mean, this thing looks clean. And I'll go ahead and leave it there for a second. Now looking inside this box, you can see that we pretty much will have the standard little cable that we have, still HDMI. I thought they would switch to USB-C, power adapter, standard stuff. And then we have the controller, and I don't think there's a USB cable that comes with it. That is very weird. I was expecting one, but that's totally okay. And here is the new controller. So let's go and take this bad boy out, and you can see that. So it comes with spare batteries. Maybe it doesn't come with the standard charger. So it does come with this. I guess I have to buy the battery pack separate or something. Who cares? But as you can see, we have the controller right here. Now compared to the Xbox One S controller, you can see a lot of similarities, not a ton of differences. You know, they kind of are the same exact thing if I'm being completely honest. You just have that share button in the center and a couple slight differences. Obviously on the top you have USB-C here, you have the micro USB cord here. Now moving all the cables and everything away, let's go and look at the Xbox itself. And you can definitely see that this thing is a mean looking machine. You have the disc tray here, you have the standard little thing at the bottom. I know it's kind of hard to see, but you can see that it's pretty much just the standard stuff. You have the Xbox logo here, C port here, button here, and on the back a bunch of I/O, 2 USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet, AC, whatever, and a memory card slot right here, and then a bunch of fans. And then up top, I'm literally in love with this honeycomb texture, whatever this is. This is pretty much what the fan is. It sucks in air here, and I think exerts it somewhere else. And this is definitely really nice. Now, compared to my Xbox One S, you can definitely see there's a lot of differences when it comes down to the size itself. The One S is about the same length, but it's definitely a lot smaller and a lot more narrow, which I think is a good thing. I'm actually okay with it. I'm sitting it on my TV stand, so it's not like I'm going to look at it every day. And I'm glad that you can still kind of set it this way too if you want to. And funny enough, I actually have my original Xbox here, and you can see that there's a ton of differences as well. I mean, just look, I mean, actually there's a lot of similarities too. In some ways, the original Xbox felt a little bit better, like a little bit more premium. The original Xbox is crazy heavy. This Xbox, I think, is heavier by a little bit. Yeah, this one is definitely heavier by quite a bit. But I'll probably do full comparisons between this Xbox Series X and a bunch of different Xboxes. So keep it locked down in the channel. You probably don't want to miss those videos, but that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.